So the history with my business going back with Brother Machine Tools and Whitehouse and with Ceratizit goes back over 20 years. I'm on my 7th machine, very uninventively called Brother 7, and that started with aluminium material on indexing heads inside the Brother Machine Tools so that the parts are coming off finished. Whitehouse came to us and just pointed out that Brother have a range of heavier duty, heavier material solutions, and I'm delighted that I've managed to take the history with Brother across aluminium and now apply it to stainless steel with that same automated robot-fed solution with the Ceratizit solution. So it's all people I know and whose competence I trust, now applying it to stainless steel in the way we've done for aluminium for years. It's been fantastic to work with the Whitehouse team to build that confidence in taking Brother that we all know for light materials and being able to apply that and take their products that are aimed at the harder materials and gaining that confidence to know that this was the right step. Ceratizit do much more than just supply me tools. They're supplying a service as well as the cutting tips, and a really valuable part of that service for me is the consigned stock inventory in a vending machine that's Wi-Fi enabled, so that my guys, I'm able to get data of which parts have been used by which operator against which job. That is being sent through the Wi-Fi link back to Ceratizit, so that when they come to reload the vending machines each week, they know what we're using. I get a great service. I get 1 month-end invoice. So again, we're all keeping the paperwork simple and slim, but then I'm also able to get weekly reports so that I can see my usage. I can understand how many parts are being used against which jobs, and are there areas where there's places where the consumption is higher than we would expect, and we can dig into it and we can do something about it. So the supply from Ceratizit is more than just the components. It's the service that sits around that to mean that it's the most effective solution for me in the round.
Well, in many ways, there's a relationship at stake when you're providing a working solution on aluminium components, and then you're saying, well, could we do the same for steel? So as much as Pneumatrol, we wanted to really make sure that we're delivering that, and that we're delivering the same level of cutting performance that can be delivered on 40 taper machines, and we were as thorough as the customer wanted us to be in terms of making sure we do that before the purchase of the machine actually went ahead. Well, the Cube Box, what it offers is a compact delivery system to a FANUC robot which can tend a wide range of machines. And where it's quite unique is the walk away time that it gives. So you've got a drawer-based system. You can fixture those drawers to handle a range of different components, whether they be round billets, square billets, castings, etc. And in a small footprint, you're increasing the amount of parts that you can manually load up ready for the machining process. So with Ceratizit, obviously what we've had to do is work with an existing steel machining process and apply that to the 30 taper machine. What they've done to support us with that is supply us with different types of tooling, different tests that we've wanted to run to really home in on an optimised process, and they've been really great with that.
Working with Pneumatrol for so long, they know about the tooling, they know what we can do, and yeah, it's getting the vending machine in gives them that confidence to run the lights out because the tooling's always on site. Something breaks on a Friday afternoon, you can go straight to the vending machine, get a new one, and back running within minutes. Tom 840 is the vending machine that's installed. You can have up to 840 items in, hence the name. Yeah, we've got so much stock in there of the high running items that we've had to then add an extension onto that. So we've got basically 2 840s in now, and then we're currently in the process of getting another vendor on the side of that as well. So there's going to be, ample stock on site, and there's room for more if needed. Again, working with Whitehouse, it's just worked seamlessly really. They've got the right machine for the job. We've got all the right tooling to complement the machine. So between us, it's just worked perfectly.
Working with Whitehouse and Ceratizit has been a pleasure. It's the consequence of relationships that we've built over years, and it gives me that confidence to know that I've got a good team that's working together and collaborating. I'll steal good ideas from anybody, and they bring good ideas to the table in their areas of expertise. And I look forward to the next one, because that's how we continue to move the business forward.